This went crazy viral on TikTok. 6,000 of them are sold last month alone on Amazon. So of course I had to test it, see what the hype's all about. It's called the Wavytalk, and you get a glove and then you get a whole bunch of other pieces. So I'm holding it because it is actually hot. I did a little demo of my front hair, but I want to do my whole head of hair for you guys. So it's a 5-in-1. You also get some clips. Let me show you a little bit about how it works, and then let's see it in action. So to take the pieces on and off, you're gonna hold this top part. There's a button I just pushed right there, and then I can interchange them. Now this one is actually more for like smoothing out your hair. There's just a 1 and a 2 right there. I popped it to the 2 level. It actually heats up pretty fast, so I've been really impressed by that. And I did a couple different waves right here in the front, but let's check out what can happen to this hair if we actually did the Wavytalk on all of it, and let's see, is it actually worth the hype? I love the fact that you get 5-in-1, but if it doesn't work, then what's the point, right? So right now, this piece is gonna be used to just kind of smooth out my hair. Now you could curl with this bigger barrel, but I'm just using it right now to kind of get the top crown area of my hair nice and smooth, since we're gonna throw the curls in down lower. And my hair, because I have really wavy hair, sometimes the waves start very high and I don't really want them starting that high. So you could use this to curl your hair, but I'm just using it right now to kind of smooth out some pieces, and it looks like it smoothed it pretty well. So I'm impressed with this first piece. That's a good one. We're gonna take that off, and then we have lots of options. Okay, so this one is gonna be our thickest. We have this one that's like a cone shape. This one's got little bubbles to it. And then this is our thin little tiny ringlets. So I don't have a particular order I'm gonna go in. I just wanna try all the different ones. So why don't we'll just go with whatever's next to me. Okay, so this is the really, really thin one. Popping that in, you're gonna give it at least 15 seconds to heat up. I found that this heats up crazy, crazy fast. And I'm gonna start on this side of my hair so that we can see some of the difference. So I'm gonna put the glove on this side. What I was doing was just kind of having it go down and wrapping. So we're gonna take a little piece here. Now, fun fact, I am definitely not very good at doing curls. In fact, I'm usually pretty intimidated by curling irons. So if I can do this, trust me when I say anyone can do this. Okay, so I'm wrapping it. I was gonna redo that one because it felt like it was getting a little loose. And I have it facing down. This is just my method. Might not be the right method, but let's see how it works. Okay, I hold it for about 6 seconds or so. And let's drop it on down. Okay, pretty. Let's brush that one out a little bit. I think because I held it twice, it gave me some kind of interesting curls there, but I like the waves that it puts in there. I feel like they're very modern looking. Let's do it again so we can really see this one. Bring that down. Okay, that's about 6 seconds there. Okay, so now you can see that like super, super ringlety wave going on there. So if you want those tight, tight waves, this one's great for that. Let's undo that. Let's try the bubble one. This one has this part here, so if you want to set it down, it has a little kickstand for you. Okay, one thing I didn't do was like clip up my hair, so let's go ahead and clip up these 2 pieces so that they're out of the way so I can see what happens with the next one. Okay, let's check this out. So it's on. I have a little bit of a wave already in my hair just from playing around with this before. And now I need to practice holding the bottom of it better. Okay, there we go. I have it kind of wrapped up around one area. I feel like I should probably have it a little bit better, but let's see what happens there. Okay, that's pretty. Let's see if I can get a better piece though. Let's try this. 1, 2, 3, 4, flip. I actually feel like you can't mess up with this thing. Like the waves look really cool. All right, holding that for about 6 seconds. Let's let go. What happens? Ooh, cool. So that's that one. Nice, neat little wave there. I'm gonna hit that button right there. I'm holding on to this top part and I'm just pulling it up there. Okay, this next one, we only have 2 left. This is the cone-shaped one. Let's check out what happens. So let's do this piece here in the back with that one. So I'm gonna wrap it. 1, 2, 3, wrapped, holding in place. I'm actually really impressed so far. I like that I can use each one and that you don't have to buy a different curling iron for each one either. There's that one. I don't feel like I did that very well, but I do feel like it's blending really well. Let's try it over here too. So I did just the front pieces before I hit record. Let's see what happens if I do this piece. Ooh, and I'm not wearing the glove on this hand, so it's a little bit risky for me right now. I feel like it gives you like really cool, kind of just really modern, like rock star hair. I like it. Ooh, okay, that one turned out way better. Look at these cool waves, guys. I'm really liking this. All right, let's do the last one. Okay, so this is gonna be those major, like thick, and we can unclip this, so now we can bring that down. And then let's pop in some of these bigger curls. So we're letting it heat up right now. I'm gonna go ahead and switch the glove to the other side so we can throw some of those bigger curls on that side, and then we'll do the back of my head as well. All right. What I love too is how fast this heats up. I gotta say, I almost thought I wouldn't like it. I tried their straightening brush and I wasn't super impressed by it, but this has been really impressive. There's a reason this is viral. This one works really, really, really well. Okay, so I've just got it wrapped. I'm holding it right here with one finger. It's pretty hot. The glove does a good job, but it's definitely still hot in the glove. And then these are like those really big waves. All right, should we throw another wave in this front area? I feel like that area could use a little more curl. I think as you use this more, you're gonna find out which style works best for you on your hair. I kind of prefer these ones. And this bigger one's good because it just can get in and do the trick pretty fast. Okay, I should have switched the glove, but I didn't, so I'm gonna be really careful over here. Drop it down. Okay, I think we're good. I think we're really good. This one does have like a really tight curl I did there in the front, and then this side doesn't, so it's not quite symmetrical. But overall, I really have been impressed by this one. So this one I feel like was my favorite to curl with. Let's throw another curl in there. Easy, how fast it heats up. You're not sitting there waiting. It's pretty instant. And curl down. Okay. Should we throw a front piece in on this side? This side's pretty good. I'm like a little bit worried about ruining it, but let's do one piece there in the front just to make it a little more symmetrical. Wrapping, 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 holding. Yeah, I just think those turn out so pretty. Okay, and then when you're done, you can like tousle your hair. Look at these crazy waves. I'll make it go like that. There we go. And now I just took my hair from like boring to fun. Talk about a cool mom makeover really fast. I love it. So 5 in 1, you get all the pieces. It's a good price. And I think you're gonna really like this kit. It works really well. And I think even if you found just one that you love to use all the time, it would be worth it as well. Wavytalk 5 in 1 curling wand, worth the hype? I think, yeah, I think it is worth the hype. You're gonna love this. If you're looking for another great video to watch, you're really gonna like the one on the screen right now. Don't forget to also hit the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video.